Talauega guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It is Tuesday. I'm taking a day off work to help out with the preparations, but specifically today I'm doing some heavy lifting, and you know, with heavy lifting we're going to need heavy trucks. Hence today's episode is proudly sponsored by Lemusu Rentals. Be sure to check them out when you're in Samoa. They've kindly given one of their 79 series Toyota Land Cruisers to use for Dad's funeral. So special shout out to Lemusu Rentals team and the management for this great truck that I'll be using for Dad's funeral. So be sure to check them out, guys, on the Facebook if you're ever planning to come to Samoa, especially with Fall of Lovers. Lemusu Rentals is the place to go, because not only they've got, so this is a single cab 79 series, but they've also got a double cab and a whole range of vehicles. So be sure to check them out, guys. But today that's why we left the Triton, because the Triton doesn't lift as heavy as the 79 series. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll definitely see you guys soon. So we're just picking up one of my friends who's a specialist with slaughtering cows, as today we will be taking approximately 3 to 5 cows today. So this is why we beefed up our vehicle with the Land Cruiser from Lemusu Rentals. But yeah, I still haven't honed my cow slaughtering skills, which is why I'm picking up my friend who will help me with today. Alright guys, so we're about to head up to one of our mates' cattle farm. Called in a few favors, and we're going to quickly get the cows onto the truck. We have to slaughter them first, and then get them onto the truck, and then take them back to Falari, and then I have to head back to town to grab a few more. Alright guys, just finished picking up the cows. We're just going to quickly head home and slaughter them. The boys were good enough to shoot it for us, but we have to quickly head home before the blood clots, and then we're going to cut them up. Alright guys, so just picking up the 5th cow. My wife is picking up the 4th one, and then we'll transport it to Kwa. The 3 cows that we took first with this Land Cruiser made light work of it, man. I'm so glad I switched to the Land Cruiser as opposed to my Triton, because it doesn't have a large towing capacity. Not only tow capacity, but the maximum load it can take, as opposed to the Land Cruiser, which was really good. So yeah guys, I'm telling you, if you got any Fall of Lovers here in Samoa, be sure to check out Lemusu Rentals, and let the team know you're in for a Land Cruiser for the Fall of Lovers. This is the workhorse that'll do most of the work for you. But yeah, on our way to pick the 5th cow now. Alright fam, so just picking up the last cattle here, one of my other friends' cattle farm. As you guys remember, 4 of the cows gave birth, which is why we couldn't slaughter the cows in the cattle farm, but made a deal with one of my friends that we were going to exchange the cows. So yeah. Alright guys, last cow now on the truck. Need to hurry up and take it home. I don't think I can make the taro supply today, so we'll probably do that tomorrow. But yeah, it's been a really hectic day. Started early in the morning. It's 6:15 now. Feeling drained, but gotta get all the cows in before it gets dark. So we're finally finishing up now the last of the CEs. So we're just gonna take a break. My wife and I have to head back to Apia and then pick up the kids and then bring them to Whangali. So quite a lot of things to do at the moment. But yeah, really tired. Alright fam, so we're just on the road now. I'm going with my wife, she's in the front. She's taking one of her sister's trucks. We're just going to head back to Apia to pick up the kids because they've been waiting at the house in Apia at my parents' house, and then we'll pick them up and then head to back to Kualefanga. Probably get there 11:30ish, 12. Really tired at the moment, but still pushing through. I'm about to leave the Triton, my truck with the guys, because they'll be going tomorrow morning to get more sand for some of the tombstone, or not tombstone, the grave preparations. but I've taken the Land Cruiser because I also need to get taro as well. Yeah, we'll probably continue this episode tomorrow when I wake up. But if you've enjoyed this first half, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. And then we'll catch you tomorrow morning. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. We'll see you tomorrow morning, guys. Good morning, fam. It is morning the next day. We're about to head to the plantation to get some taro, and then I have to go take it to Fanelli. Not feeling too well. Back hurts a little bit, but still gotta push through. The funny thing with the Land Cruiser, they were makangangai. now I really feel like a Land Cruiser for the plantation, but it's good. It's such a robust and sturdy car, honestly, and I really wish I could have one now. But the Triton will do until we make it. Just checking on the cows. Uncle there. Cows are okay. New calf there. There's quite a few new calves around here. Yeah?
here, drop off the wife and baby. Then we'll head to Kwa to take the taro and also see what's left to do. So just packing the load a bit because rain clouds in the distance, and we don't want the supplies to get wet, the food supplies. So we'll store the taro here, some of it here, some of it's at the bottom, chicken and other stuff, but we're just gonna add taro on top to add a bit of weight so it doesn't blow off into the wind. Just gonna go through some we're still you know, the Galumalemana, so families and friends that are coming through, and then we'll probably go through the night up until, I don't know, maybe 12, but we'll see how we go. But yeah, feeling tired already. Stock taking is very important. Alright fam, so we probably come to the end of the episode. Sorry we've been out a bit. We were, what do you call, really busy. We had 2 large families that came over, which we had to attend to, and yeah, lost track of time. But we've now come to the end of our episode, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed me taking you through the past 2 days of some of the preparations, specifically from my point of view. It's got a full-on day. Tomorrow is Thursday, which will be Dad's family service, and then he will rest on Friday. Saturday will be the final burial service. Just want to take this chance to thank you again to Uso Rentals for sponsoring today's episode. Couldn't have done it without their truck the past 2 days, and yeah, it's been phenomenal. Just want to let you guys know that if you do plan on grabbing that specific Land Cruiser, the 79 series, use code Samoanfarmer 24, Samoanfarmer 24, to get 20% discount. So let the team at Uso Rentals know, and you can get yourself a 20% discount on that specific 79 series. But I'm about to sign off, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the content. We'll definitely catch some more if we can, but just want to say thank you again for the support to everyone. Really appreciate it. God bless you all. Definitely catch you guys on our next episode, but until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, see you guys soon.